Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a contact group in Outlook. This is an incredibly useful feature if you frequently send emails to the same group of people, whether it's your team, clients, or family members. Instead of adding each person individually every time, you can simply select the group and everyone gets the message. Let's walk through how to set this up. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your inbox has loaded completely before moving to the next step. This ensures that all your contacts and settings are available for you to work with. Once your email has loaded, you'll need to access the People menu. This is located at the bottom part of your navigation panel. If you're using Compact View, you might not see it labeled directly, but look for the icon that shows two people. This is your gateway to managing all your contacts in Outlook. Click on this icon to open up the Contacts section. When you click on the People menu, you'll notice that your tools and menus on the top part of the navigation have changed. This is because Outlook now knows you're working with contacts rather than emails, so it's showing you the relevant options. To create your contact group, simply click on the New Contact Group icon. You'll find this clearly labeled in the top toolbar. A contact group window will now appear on your screen. This is where you'll build your group by adding contacts one by one. To start adding people, click on the option that says Add Members, which is marked with a plus sign. When you click this, a drop-down menu will appear giving you several options for how you want to add your contacts. From this drop-down, you can choose between adding them from your Outlook contacts, from your address book, or even creating a new email contact if the person isn't already saved in your system. Choose the option that fits your needs. If your contacts are already saved in Outlook, selecting from Outlook contacts is the quickest route. If you need to add someone new, go ahead and create a new email contact right from this window. Once you've added all the contacts you want into this group, simply click on Save and Close. This will finalize your contact group and save it to your Outlook account. Now, whenever you compose a new email, you can use this contact group as a recipient. Instead of typing out multiple email addresses, just type the group name and your email will be sent to everyone under this group automatically. This saves you time and ensures nobody gets left out of important communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.